Larry brought this air conditioner right here over, and the compressor wouldn't come on. So what I did, I got this cover off right here. I suspected this part right here. I've already checked it. I just wanted to show y'all that it's open. So all we got to do is round up overload, compressor overload, and see if this puppy, see if it's shorted to the.
Man, it's beautiful. I know it. They're so pretty.
Larry, come here a minute. Ain't no point in getting one. Look. Ain't no point in getting the overload. Look. I'm going from this pin right here. Short it out. See if you go from right here on that pin to that copper. Shorted internal windings.
Okay.
You kiss this baby goodbye. That's a bad one there.
Okay.
Next.